Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. It's Smart by Saturdays, the day we spotlight trending deals and bestsellers worth checking out. Today we've got the top 5 air fryers under $50, compact, affordable, and perfect for everyday cooking. And if you want to see the latest price or grab a deal, I've put all the product links for you in the description. First up, the Dash Compact Air Fryer. With a 2-quart basket, air crisp technology, and fun color options, it delivers crispy food with less oil and fits easily in small kitchens. Next, the Chefman TurboFry 2-quart. Sleek, lightweight, and easy to use, with a dishwasher-safe basket and simple knob controls. Third, the Instant Vortex 2-quart mini air fryer. From the makers of Instant Pot, it's compact, quick to preheat, and has smart cooking programs for easy meals. Fourth is the Elite Gourmet 1.1-quart air fryer. Super compact, budget-friendly, and perfect for quick snacks like fries, nuggets, or reheating leftovers. And finally, the GoWise USA Mini Digital Air Fryer. With a 1.7 to 2-quart basket, touchscreen controls, and presets, it gives you modern features in a small, affordable package. So there you have it, 5 of the best air fryers under $50. Whether you want compact size, digital features, or quick meals, these are all smart buys that won't break the bank. Check the description for product links and possible deals. Prices change often, so don't miss out. Like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews. We cover a new category every day of the week, right here on Tech and Home Chronicles. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.